Ebusia. Ebusia, come with me again or come with me again. Ebusia, this is a very sad moment. A very sad moment to me because Ghana for ekanka omuana omu kudomi Kwabenya. Inye me game kume. Omu J rice money any oil. Every one of the fake Chekwudi Jews Igbo for be ewo Kwabenya. And me who you know, I was a bit sad because you people have to know. There's one video I'll show you where one woman was complaining about the situation and how Nigeria is difficult. Yet you have a Nigerian coming to Ghana to come and share this. And he cannot share that in Nigeria. Now, quickly, we'll go and watch because I've watched videos where people are complaining, say in Nigeria, Garin Kwan Omudi, yet somebody is sharing this and Ghanaians are taking. You think they're free? Massa, we'll go and watch that video. We'll be back.
Guys, I traveled to Nigeria. Hey, Nigeria is not fun new. People are going through a lot in that country. I swear to God Almighty. That is jokes aside. For those people that are in diaspora, you don't know what the people in Nigeria, what the masses are going through. Life is so difficult. To eat 3 square meals today. I don't know how they are coping. I swear to God Almighty. That is, do you know that even going out, I went for my mother's burial. Do you know that even going out, you go calculate them? I'm telling you, in fact, you will calculate it. If that place is not so very, very important, you know, go come out, you day in your house. Because a liter of fuel is going for about 3,000 something, about 1,300 and something. Yes, the other day, me and my husband, we went out. We gave the guy 10,000 naira. And at the end of the day, we could only get 7 liters of fuel. 7 liters of fuel, yes, for fuel of 10,000 naira. If I even heard that even some areas, they are even selling even more than that. Kilo day, no lights. Now, for you to even see lights, fine, the side where we were staying, there was light. But every day, you can imagine spending 5,000. This one didn't tell me. Magodo. Every day we spend 5,000 naira to buy units of light. Every day 5,000 naira. No wonder. Right now you see there are no jobs. Even people that are even doing businesses, they are struggling. Now you see able-bodied men. Now they don't turn to like vegetable. That's why you see a lot of housewives right now, they are cheating. Yes, do you blame?
So guys, you see the way this woman is complaining about the situation, the current situation in Nigeria. This woman is complaining bitterly that people are not even able to feed. Even diesel, petrol, whatever. Even lighting system is a problem in Nigeria. Yet you have somebody in the next video that I will show to you sharing rice, money, and oil in Domi Kwabenya. And you have a lot of people gathered together taking that. How will you know, say, what you are taking right now? It is something that is genuine because we all know these people. We all know these people. And then when you wake up tomorrow and something happened to you, you come and complain to who? Ghana phone be wayo kasa omunti, and they are using our mothers. They are using our mothers to do what they want to do. It is sad. Let's go and listen to this woman again. Let's continue to listen to her. The next video is where you will see what I am talking about, folks. It is very sad, but we have to talk about it.
Because if you go there, my sister, you see the way people are just dying. You see the road. Now, crime rate is so high. Crime rate is so high. Everybody is trying to see how to cheat the other person. Yes, everybody's trying to see how to cheat the other person. Who to trust now is so difficult. Do you understand? Right now, fathers can no longer even provide for their families. Yes, because of hardship. They can no longer now, young children, you see them now, young children now are made now to go out and begin to fend for themselves. The one went on to Ashawo, turn to Ashawo. The one when be turn to Yahoo, turn to Yahoo. The one when be say they sell human part, begin they sell human parts. Housewife, right now, a lot of them now, they do hookup. Do you blame them? Do you blame them? Let's tell ourselves the truth. That is, my people, I just came back and my experience there. If you get your money, it's very sweet for you to go there. Do you understand? But cost of living, Cost of living there is not for the weak. It's not for the weak. At this point in time, you see marriages, relationships, they are collapsing. Why? Because of the economic hardship. People no longer stay like. Why would they want to like stay whatever to you, loyal to you, when you can't even provide? Do you understand? Right now, everybody is now looking for, how they can survive. The president should do something. And for people that are still supporting this government, I don't get it. People that are still supporting this government, are you people there? Are you seeing? For me, I just feel that people that are still supporting this government, do you understand, are people that are benefiting directly from them. Yes, truth be told. I feel there are people that are benefiting directly from them. If you're not benefiting directly from them, I'm telling you, I don't think you want to stay and do all of these things. You are campaigning. Your people, they are dying. See bandits, they are kidnapping people, they are killing people every day. That country is bleeding. That country is bleeding. Who is going to save that country? Who is going to save that country? It is well, oh. This is my own experience for my people. It is well. Nigerians, God bless you all. Nigerians are strong. Yes, they are hardworking and they are very, very resilient. Even with everything that is happening back home, you see them, they still find a way, you understand, to be happy.
I saw men and women gathering in a street near my neighborhood. I saw men and women gathering out with good things. I keep wondering, what is going on? This is April. What is actually going on? So I want to find out exactly what is going on here, because as you can see a lot of people seated. You see a lot of people carrying goods, a lot of people carrying a lot of things. Some are sitting down, some are, I don't know what is going on. I really want to find out what is going on here, so that I can let you people know actually what is going on here. But I can see that this place is filled up. Oh my goodness, what is going on here? What is going on here? Wow. People are carrying rice, carrying gift item, carrying a lot of things. I don't know what is going on here. Everywhere is filled up. Wow. So in a short while, we are going to know exactly what is going on here. But first of all, you can see a lot of people seated. Oh, this one is even carrying his food, and wow, that's wonderful. I am sensing that there is a giveaway going on. Yes, you can see our old mothers, you can see children, you can see a lot of people. This must be a giveaway. This is the house of one of the Eze in Kwabenya constituency. One of the Igbo Eze. Let us see whether we can see this very Eze that is performing these wonders this first day of April 2026. Wow, this is amazing. My goodness. We can see everything is in order. We still have our police here that is making sure that there is orderliness, and everybody is waiting. I just came in here now, and I heard that since 6 o'clock in the morning, here has been filled up. Wow, my goodness. I can't believe what I'm seeing here. I can't believe what is going on here. My goodness. From what I've been told, this is the Eze of Kwabenya, Ashoman Estate constituency. Is an Igbo man, precisely from Anambra State, a businessman here in Ghana, and he enjoy helping the less privileged, the widows. You can see he gives them gifts, and also you can see them smiling. I am so excited to see what is going on today. I don't know what carried me to pass this street to see what is happening here. This is amazing. It's amazing, and I'm just informed that since 6 o'clock in the morning, everywhere filled up. I'm very, very, very excited. So let me ask one of my brothers here exactly what is going on. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah, please, I was just passing by the street. I saw a lot of people outside carrying a lot of things. So what is going on here?
Today, we are celebrating the birthday of Alehieze.
Okay.
The two are celebrating their birthday.
Okay.
By giving to the needy.
Okay.
And the less privileged.
Okay.
And thanking God for a life well lived.
Okay.
This has been an annual event.
Okay.
Every year we do it like this.
How?
In the month of April.
Okay.
We do it like this.
Okay.
And the people can testify.
Wow.
What they have seen.
Wow. So which categories of people do you give this?
These are for the less privileged.
Okay.
For the widows.
Okay.
The orphanages.
Okay.
The elderly.
Okay.
And we give thanks to our Eze.
Okay.
The Eze of Igbos in Domin Pukwasi.
Okay.
Rich.
Okay. Okay.
Who
Maybe.
has given us the mandate to organize this thing every year.
Okay. Okay. You can see men and women as you receive your gift, you will also receive your envelope. That is amazing. That is very, very amazing. Guys, I will still talk to the Eze and some of the people here who are helping him to do this job. I will still talk to them. But first of all, let us still watch the environment. Guys, I can't believe what is going on here. Since 6 o'clock in the morning, now it's 10 a.m. and people are still crowding. A lot of people are still coming in. They still have a lot to share to people just to celebrate his birthday. And he does this every April. That's amazing. That's amazing. You can see that they're happy. Are you happy? Yes. Are you sure that you're happy? Yes. Wow, you can see laughter on their faces. They are happy to be here. They are happy to celebrate with their Nigerian brother who is living here in Ghana. And I want to tell you that he is not giving because he has. He's only sharing the little that he has. You can see that we still have a lot that have not been shared. A lot are still here. And a lot of people are still coming. A lot are still coming. So it's going to be a memorable day. A memorable day. And very soon, we are going to talk to the Eze himself. We will actually want to ask him, why is he doing this? Because this is so amazing. You know, can you imagine since 6 o'clock and this man has been here showing love to his neighborhood, showing love to the people of Ghana, to the beautiful people of Ghana. I call them beautiful people of Ghana. So he is showing love to them because the land is a peaceful land and they have accommodated him. He is doing his business in Ghana peacefully. He's been in Ghana here for so many years. Everybody is happy. You can see what is going on here. You can see the excitement is overwhelming. It's overwhelming. I must tell you that I'm shocked. I'm deeply shocked. People are coming. More people are coming. Cars are bringing in people from all over our surrounding. I must tell you that anybody that steps his legs here today must go with a gift and also an envelope that contains money. Is that not amazing? Is that not amazing? This calls for meditation.
Guys, I want to use this opportunity and I'm going to hit the live streaming very soon, and this matter is going to be discussed at length. But guys, please, I'm begging you, if you are close to anybody, if you're a mother of any of those people who are taking those items in Domi Kwabenya, I'm begging you guys to tell your mothers and your sisters who are going about taking these food items to stop it. Masa munyai ni amoye no, because we mono aduane na odi bre mono woni bebi odi aduane na kofa sika na odi akoto aduane ni kura na odi aduane ni bre na wo ba bedi no woni bebi odi sika no afiye ama wie gan ka futo me efe ma ka inyeme wonyeme ga yemi ekome ameni to efe wo mo boy mene me kwe kote ame mami taflache homo ye jeme no mini wa mekeshike ya ame mami. What I'm saying is they are trying to buy the mindset of the old folks in Ghana. They've tried the youth, it was not working. They've tried our politicians, it worked. They've seen that the youth are about to rise against them. Now they are using this one as a catalyst to buy our mothers. You people have to be careful. Very careful. Aduane we no enye free o. We no mo no omo mfa aduane bi ema nipa free sa. And don't think say who again ni birthday eno ochiche ni birthday o eno ochiche. You guys have to think twice. And I'm saying that if you're a mother and you are listening to me and I say, oh, if you're a son to this, please and please, we are begging. Catch it, mommy said, Danina Mukoji, no, Mufama and Moa, no, oh, yeah, no, Mufan be different. I'm telling you people, because this will not go well with some of you at the end of the day. We mono, or the Bequaco Jessica Drew, or the Jessica Drew, wo di wia na bibia yo, and I say, Ube wana obewu, and I say, we then they will benefit from it. The more they do this, we keep talking about this, but most Ghanaians are not hearing us. It's as if say we are the only people who can see what these people are doing. Look, Ghana phone be wahonoma. The minister for Greater Accra Regional Minister. These are some of the things you guys have to look into. The MP for Kwabenya. You people are not seeing what is going on. You think that you have Charlie, guys. It is important. Anyway, 25th of this month, a demonstration. No, Miss Remo. So when you say you are interested in supporting the demonstration, no, now DM me. Senebeya, I will link you up to the organizers. Why? Senebeya, you can also contribute. We need everybody to contribute, and on the placard, we have to show our displeasure. Say they can go and support their own. There's so much anger in their part of the world. There's so much anger. We cannot just sit down and allow them to come here and come and throw dust into the eyes of the local folks. When we say we are not accepting them, now they are using the local folks. They are buying the mindset of our mothers. Chekwudi and his people, they are buying the mindset of our mothers. It is sad. We have to do something about it. It is very important. Now I need you guys to comment below, and if you have anybody, if you have somebody in Kwabenya area, I'm begging, but Modiana Fro Mamena Fro B no munye meeting. They have to stop this. Thank you guys all. That's